Okay, so you want to put the size?
A wagon? Oh my! A trailer.
That's great.
Look at the trailer. Come here, kids. Oh, I haven't seen under the hood of one. Look.
It's pretty simple.
Sure does.
Straight.
Got one
What
belt.
do you call that? Straight something?
I love the trailer.
Do something inside. She said she did. When he come back and done it.
Albert, look at this.
It has a trailer.
I don't know about that. I don't know if they had that back then. It looks cool.
This was a great car show.
Yeah.
I like hearing the engines.
Yeah.
You're right there.
Yeah,
Can I
I
help
got
you?
it.
Okay.
Hey, I was looking at your necklace. I love it. Ah. Oh, that wasn't original.
No.
Disc
No, he
brakes.
put disc brakes on there. He must really drive it.
Yeah, look at the front gears in there. Is that what it is? That's what's making the wheels turn?
No, I don't know what that is.